Caltrain 305 here. There's a 305. With an MP36. I had not checked because it just came right now. It's a 917 with a 416. There's a 110 with a 917 and a 416. Next train is the Caltrain file. It's the 407 next. .407 49. There's the 111. It's raining right now. .916. They leaves the 111, and then sometime the file 4 is coming. Like an F40 now, 3 on that way. I mean 41 cabcar 4024. There goes the 504 to San Jose. Yeah, Sands Clip. Oh yeah, Sands Clip. And here is the 112 also. Ooh, I was actually not gonna record the 503 by accident, but luckily I did again. And I was 7 in the lead. Yeah, so we just saw 2 F40PH2 right now, the 903 and the 907 now. Cabcar 118. Today for the file 3, we got the 117 with a 120. 119 is back on service. That's Caltrain 113 with a 119 back on service. 119 is in the lead, and then 40. 912. Now 12 is back. At least a 113. And a while the 506 will be coming. I hope the 506 is not that fast like the 503. That way I cannot have the same problem that I had that I record late. 926 and the 115. I saw this earlier on the 305. So there's Caltrain 114. Yeah. Today for Caltrain 114, we got the now Latin St. Carlos with the 112. You guys, I'm telling you when it leaves. You guys, Sands Clip. And there's also the file 5 over there. There leaves now the 114. That was an awesome train meet. That was a train meet there. That's now Lines and Carlos over there for the 114. With the 112. I did not stop else for the file 5. You have seen the description. And yeah, I think these are my final trains. Yes, but if this is my final train, I just want to tell you, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I hope you see more other videos. Yeah, guys. Peace out. There's a 115 now. Surprised I'm still here, actually. These are my final trains, looks like. It still keeps raining. 4014 and a 915 South City in the back. Yeah, guys, I'm trying to leave the essence. There leaves the 115 again. And then sometime the file away will be next. And my final train maybe. There's the file away now. 09! Awesome 109 with the 4012, 4019. And I also remember that we just saw that earlier too. There goes the 508 sounds there. Yeah, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Please remember everybody. See you guys. Peace out. Yo guys, here comes the 307 now. It's 118 again. Now 12 San Bruno. There goes the 307 to San Francisco. You guys see this clip? There is the 307 and also 124 is coming. Yep, that's the Hillsdale station. Yeah, I can't see the 307. We said this earlier also. I think it was the 113, I think. 113. I forgot. I think that was the 113 earlier. Or you might seen in other videos. Second, I'll tell you when I come back. Yes, it's good. Yo guys, so yeah, we saw 2 times the 307. And now here comes the 124 also. That's 19 with the 4022 and 4008, I think. And 4008. There goes the 307 to San Francisco, and there goes the 124 to San Jose. Yeah, guys. Yeah, and that will be used more later as the 413. Yeah, there goes goes over there south. The 124, and there goes the there goes the 307 to San Francisco, and there goes the 124 to San Jose. You guys see this clip? Okay, guys, here's the 409 now. $114. 904 in the back. There goes the 409 to San Francisco. Yeah, sense clip. Okay, guys, here's the Caltrain 4-way. 903. 120 in the middle. 117. So yeah, we're railfanning here on December 28th, 2021. And that's Caltrain 4-way with an awesome horn in L3. That was a very awesome horn. Well, 19 is more better. Sounds more better. I love more that one than L3, but yeah. There was the 408 to San Jose, our first train of the day, yeah, guys. So let's clip. Okay, guys, now here we go. It's 123 there. Yep. There's 123 over there. I will tell you when it leaps, yeah, guys. Okay, guys, now here leaves the 123. It leaves when cabcar, I think it is second or first jet. I just need to see what it is. What type of cabcar it is, that's what I'm saying. See what cabcar we got. 416 and the 917 Gilroy. And 917 Gilroy. There goes the 123 to San Francisco. You guys sense? Can you guys see the 308 now? No, 99. 4012. And cabcar 4019. Hey guys, hey for the Caltrain 308. We got the now 9 Miller Park, win the 4012 and 4019. Hey guys, there goes the sounds. Hey guys, sounds clip. Come on guys, now here leaps the 308. I was gonna say 28, but it's actually 308. There goes the 208 the 308 to San Jose. Yeah, sounds clip. Here goes Caltrain 307. And sometime the 124 will be next. It might be my final train, the 124. Possibles. I might return back in some time after the 124. Its cabcar thing is this is gonna be the 4021 or 4024, 4026. or I'm not sure which cap it is. Looks like it might be, oh, it is cabcar 40. It's cabcar 4017 with a 4009 900 San Francisco. There goes the 307 to San Francisco. Yeah, guys, hands clip. Yo, guys, here's the 124 now. 106. And cabcar 4005. Or 5. There goes the Caltrain 124 to San Jose. Yeah, guys, hands clip. Here's Caltrain 410. 926. I'm sorry, I was out, but I'm ready to return back to railfanning again. It is our first train, Caltrain. 310. About 125 already left. Looks like it already left. But yeah, there goes San Jose. Guys, next clip. Okay, guys, here's the 309. 118, my favorite cabcar. The 118. Altos and Bruno. There goes the 309 to San Francisco. Yeah, guys, there's the Caltrain 710 over there with a 917. And goodbye. Nice. Go, guys. Now here leaps. It's the Caltrain 709. Ooh, disappointingly, I did saw the 710 and also 411. I only saw the 917, but luckily I actually do have a photo of it. So disappointingly, the 411 I could not record that one. Yes, horn, awesome horn. Fuck. So it's 4014 with the 915. There goes the 709 to San Francisco. Yes, in this clip. Yo, guys, here's the 712. 900! 409 and 4017. Yeah. There goes to San Jose. There goes the 712 to San Jose. Yeah, in this clip. Yo, guys, here comes the 127. Looks the rare, the cabcar. Sorry, guys. Having some camera, having some problems on my phone a little bit. Don't tell me that's 117 again. When the 120 now 3. No, never mind. It looks like 114. Oh, 14. .904 Polo Alto. And there goes the 127 to San Francisco. Next train is this. It's a 312. Yeah, the other train was 412. I accidentally said it 712. If I did say 712, I'm sorry. I had not checked, but yeah. There goes to San Francisco. Yeah, guys, next clip. And next train is the 712. Come in some minutes. Yo, guys, here's the 712 now. I mean 312. My mistake. Apologize. F40PH 3C. Oh, never mind. It's an F40PH 2CAT. 916. $40.25. I thought it was $40.26 yesterday. I saw this also, and I thought it was $40.26, but now I see it's $40.25. There goes San Jose, and I'm not sure if this is my last stream, but if it is, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Hope you see my next video. See you guys. Peace out.